Hello guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. Now, I just want to make this understand to everyone who will be asking me, is Nano Halfcast Whitening Lotion? And above that, how do we promise it? It take my time, just sometimes I go at length to really consume some lotions to do all this DIYs for you guys. That is why I really want to make you also put effort by watching, clicking, and subscribe as well. Now, this Nano Halfcast Whitening Lotion you're seeing, in case if you don't see it, you all know it. Now, this lotion, they might tell you it's all skin type. It's not. It's not all skin type. And then again, it's not a whitening lotion. It's a maintenance lotion. They might put a whitening lotion, but to my own understanding, what I see is not a whitening lotion because me and you know what they call whitening. Okay, but it's a maintenance because you can see if it's a whitening lotion. I could remember if you describe some whitening lotions or toning lotion to some people, you will see how effective it is. So what I mean is a maintenance. It's a maintenance lotion, and it's not all skin type. You got it? Okay. Now, somebody who's light already might just want to use this lotion. Yes, it's good for you. You will see that when you that is light already use this lotion, it will make your skin honest 100%, to give it its own 100%. It will really pop your skin up, like you will come beautiful, sweet, all that, come seeing it while you using it, you will see that wow, it's really working for you. But if someone else who is dark go use it, you will see that it's not giving the person the same color. It's not. The reason why, because it's not whitening. It just only help to continue from where your skin is. So just imagine, because it's not whitening, it's not having the tendency or the ingredient they use to making it's not really 100% having that strength to make you white. If somebody on brown skin use it, you will see that what it's going to give you, it will only just be just something like in addition. And I know my people, so they don't need one step addition, they need 7 steps, 7 shades. So if you're looking for that 7 shade thing, you're not going to get it. You're not going to get it from this lotion. Rather, it will help you maintain your color. If you're white already, it will help you. Not white, then will make you keep it known. You still got to use your Promixing. So in other words, if you're talking about Promixing, okay, can I Promix it? And when you Promix it, you must use the right formula to Promix it. Don't just say you add 1 tube. I know a lot of people, they say I added this tube, I added it still don't work. No, I added this particular it still don't work. There is something more to it. Yes, there is something more to it. There is something more to it. And just something more to it, just 1 or 2 things. How do we get there? You understand? So first of all, do you just want to Promix it that way, or you want to add some other additive? Like if I want to customize it, basically this is what I would do. If I want to customize it, I will use this. I will use this to it. Yes, this egg yolk whitening base cream. I will use this egg yolk whitening base cream to it. And when I use this egg yolk whitening base cream to it, that is, I just want to get this mild toning, because this is very 100% whitening base cream. So that I'm not using this nano to it now, so it will calm it down. This one will calm this one down. This one will calm it down. So both of them will not meet at an understanding point. How would they meet? Like if this one have 10%, this one can give it its own 100. So this one might not regulate this one, because This one is just a maintenance lotion, and this one is fast, but in a calm way, in a mild way. So you will have this pop-up skin. How will you have the pop-up skin again? When you add both of these together, then come in. I just want to make you to see what I'm doing so that it will be very, you see, when you add these two together now, then you add this pigeon to it. If you add, a lot of people understand the power of pigeon. It's a mild lotion, mostly when you combine it very well, when you go with the right combination. So you add this pigeon to it. When you add this pigeon to it, make sure you give it, like if you're trying to make 500 ml of this lotion, all right, you take half of it, then you take like 3 spoons of this whitening base cream. You take this egg yolk whitening base cream, you take 3 spoons. Then you take half of this pigeon. You take half of this pigeon. I don't know why my camera is really going dark. I don't know if it's I don't know what's really going on, but just bear with me. Hence you can get the audio and the picture clear also. So you take these, then you add this Nano Halfcast, also half to it. Are you getting it? You add half to it. So like what we just said now, we just said about how many of them, about 4 items, about 4 additives, right? Okay. You add this, you take this, you add this Nano Halfcast whitening serum, then you add the pigeon also, the serum, then you now add this. You add this lemon. You all know lemon is just another toning tube. Are you getting? This is the tube. You now add this one. Just add one to it. It's okay. Then please don't forget what I'm about showing you. You now add this one, this blend Pro 9. Just add this blend Pro 9 because this is the activator. So you now add this blend Pro 9. When you add this blend Pro 9, it will not activate everything. Like for those of us who now needed it sharp or who wants it to be 100% whitening, immediately you added this blend Pro 9, it's automatically 100%. That's 7 shades you need. But if you remove this, it remains, it gives you those kind of 4 shades. What I've just said now, it will give you with the Nano Halfcast Whitening Lotion and this egg yolk whitening base cream and this Nano Halfcast whitening serum and this pigeon, that will give you about 3 shades. But if you add this blend Pro 9, whoever you think you are, if you black everything will tone you. It will tone you. So how much more you've gotten a white color already, it will keep you the game on top. I'll tell you, it will keep your game on top. So that is why I just want you to understand, to keep your game on top. So now we've just said when you add this blend Pro 9 to it, it will make you a whitening. Not to regulate it, let it not be so that if you already got a stretch mark, because everything I show you is well fitted. Are you getting it? Yes, it's well fitted. The base cream is treated. Are you getting it? And I know this whitening, this Nano Halfcast doesn't give stretch mark. So if you have stretch mark already, to control your stretch mark, you cannot add this. You cannot add this dot of skin. Add 2. Are you getting it? Just add 2 spoons. Yes, 2 spoons. Because you're making a bit large quantity. And you've gotten a stretch mark already. And let it be original. Are you getting it? 2 teaspoons. Just make sure that you get 2 bottles of it. 2 ampoule can give you 2 teaspoons. Are you getting it? Yes. Then you blend. When you blend perfectly, now because you just try to be conscious, then add 2 spoons of your perfect leg. Add 2 spoons. Are you getting it? Add 2 spoons. Then again, I want you to understand that all this, because some people say perfect leg doesn't work for me, ampoules, that Dr. Skin Doctor ampoule doesn't work for me. Then you add this shallow, and when you make them original, they work. They work. Please stop saying that it don't work for you. When they are original, they work. You add this one. You add half of it. This shallow, you add out of it. Then you blend properly. See, all these things we are doing there, we're only trying to be safe here. Are you getting it? We're only trying to be safe. You're not just because of whitening. We only try to be safe. Are you getting it? So with all this we just done now, it's already 100%. Then if you want to tweak it more than what you think it is right now, you want to tweak with what we just said, you want to get now, you can now add this caramella oil, this caramella whitening oil. You can now add like just 2 spoons. Do you know the things they used to do this? Oh boy, you're about to boy. Are you getting it? Safe as sun, but 100% whitening. So the biggest activator here now is the Blend Pro 9 and this caramella oil and this base cream, whitening, egg yolk whitening base cream, because it's made of egg yolk also. So with that, I think we are fine. You don't need to be, you don't need to be wasting money and all that. With that, you can just, you've gotten the right trick to handle your Nano Halfcast. You've got to the right trick to handle your Nano Halfcast. Before you see your skin pop up. It's just that, like me, as I said, I'm not that type who really love like whitening and all that. I'm a pure black person, pure. Like you can see, I told myself just for you to know that the things I do, they work. So I told myself, like, for you to know, okay, I got a secret also. That's why we say we have expensive knowledge training here, where you come here to watch our videos. They are very expensive, so don't just throw them off. Just when you listen, go and give it a try. Then you can get them, give it a try. But if you know you can't do all this, you can place your order while we send it to you wherever you are in the world. You can place your order, we'll send it to you wherever you are. So please give a try and you will get it right. So stay tuned. Happy Xmas in advance. Bye bye.